Hi YouTubers, here we have Audi 2008 B8 model. It's an automatic, and today I'm going to show you how to take the wing off. Actually I've searched the YouTube, couldn't find any videos, so I had to struggle a bit to find out the actual way to take it off. It's not easy, but it's doable. You have to have a T30, extendable ratchet, and a 10mm socket. First of all, you have to open these 1, 2, 3 and 4 T30 bolts. This one is a bit hard to get to, but if you just push the bonnet up a little bit, you can actually get to it quite easily. They are a bit tight. If you don't have proper tools, you can't open it without them. So if you open these 4 bolts, and there is 2 more 10mm bolts just underneath here, just there, 1 and 2. Actually I've opened it already, so I'm just going to show you where the bolts are. And underneath here, it's a bit tricky bit. Just on the back there, if you see, just this one here and one underneath here. There's 2 T30 bolts here as well, and 2 more bolts just on the bottom, one here and one there. I've already opened them, and apart from that, just in front of these bolts here, this black protective sheet here, so the water don't get in, it was there. So you might have to take those T20 bolts off just to get this out. And obviously this protective sheet, you have to move that either on the side, or you have to take the wheel off. If you don't take the wheel off here, if you just turn the wheels to the outer side, you can get access to the bolts from there. But the inner bolt here, there's only one bolt from inside, so which is just there. It's a bit stupid of Audi just putting the bolts from inside when they could just like put one bolt from outside. It would have been easier to get to, but this is the way. And I'm sure if you just pull the wing off now, it's moving, so if I pull it, it will just pop right out. So this is the way. I hope this video actually helps you to remove your wing. Thank you for watching.